I have a little exciting announcement. You're gonna have to ignore the stains on my shirt. I already committed to it with the earrings, so I can't take it off. But I do. I have an important announcement. Well, I'm starting my IVF journey right now, today. I'm preparing for my egg retrieval. I'm not going to tell you exactly when the date is. I'll update you more later on because it can change, but I'm literally getting ready to take my meds for the first time. I don't know how to feel. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I wish you guys could see the amount of medications that I have to take. There's like 4 of these. All of these. There's medication in the fridge too. It's going to be a journey, but I am trusting in the Lord that this is going to be the journey that makes me a mother. It's hard to have that faith because I have been through so much, but where God guides, He provides, and I'm believing and trusting that He has opened doors that I thought were shut. And I know some of you are like, well, I thought your IVF was on pause. It was. So let me explain. I want to say it was March. I believe it's March or April, somewhere around in there. Like, it's all blurred, guys, at this point. And I had a test done to check to make sure they could reach my ovaries during the IVF procedure, the egg retrieval. And everything looked great. They're like, your ovaries look great. Like, you're the perfect candidate. Like, this is going to be great. So I was so excited. Then I had to go back from a baseline ultrasound. I had a cyst on my ovary, on my right ovary, that would not go away. So we continued on birth control, hoping the birth control would shrink it. I kept going back every 2 weeks. It wouldn't budge. I have not had this issue. I've been doing fertility treatments for over a year and I've not had this issue. And finally we said, let's take a month break. It's either I have surgery to remove this cyst or we take a month break. But because the cyst was not something that's been there for a long time, we decided, let's just take a break. Let's not do surgery unless we absolutely have to. I took a month-long break, continued on birth control, went back. It did shrink a little bit, but not a lot. But I had been on birth control for so many months. The doctor said, I don't want to leave you on that anymore. We're moving forward. We're moving forward knowing that we hope my left ovary, she's a producer. Pray she's a producer, okay? Produce some eggs, babe. Let's go. But if she's not like a great producer, because you want as many eggs as possible, but if not, and we have to get them off my right ovary, we'll do it laparoscopically if he can't reach it, okay, because of the cyst. So that's what we're doing, and I know God's gonna provide. I know He is. Getting ready to take our first little med together, and then I have 2 injections I have to do tonight. You want to do it together? Let's do it. Drinking out of the whole container. It's mine. All right, do this together. Here we go. Yeah. 1 down, a lot more to go, and I'll do my injections this evening. In due time, I'm going to tell you my full testimony, but I know God told me to do this. So when that cyst came up, I was like, I don't understand. That's the enemy. I know my blessing, my miracle is on its way. My testimony's on the way, and He doesn't want me to tell you. It's all going to work out. It may be a bumpy road, but it's all going to work out. So I'll take you guys along for a portion of it. I don't know if I'm going to take you along every single thing. But I'll keep you updated. So, and I'll let you know when the egg retrieval comes. But if you're a praying person, I will take every single prayer that you're willing to put up for me. Thank you in advance.